How to add a questionnaire to WIX website. Go to JotForms website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, click on Create Form. You'll see several options. Choose Use Template. Scroll down and click on Questionnaire Templates. Browse through the templates and find one you like. Click on Use Template below the chosen template. Customize the questionnaire as you need by adding, removing, or editing questions. Once done, click on Publish at the top. Click on Embed on the left side. Then, click on Copy Code to get the embed code for your questionnaire. Open your WIX website and click on Edit Site in the upper right corner. Go to the page where you want to add the questionnaire. Click on the plus sign icon in the upper left corner. Hover over Embed Code and then click on Embed HTML. In the text box that appears, paste the code you copied from JotForm. Click Update and then close the text box. You can now adjust the size of your questionnaire by dragging the sides to fit your page layout. Finally, click on Preview in the upper right corner to see how your questionnaire looks on your website. And that's how you add a questionnaire to your WIX website. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.